Okay, let's start again. This video is all about what is Akadru and how can teachers use this Akadru. What is Akadru? Akadru is a learning platform where there are a lot of learning modules on multidisciplinary topics. This is the main page of the platform. You click login and you enter so here you need to give your details. You have to give your email ID, password. You have to check this box and you log in. Once you log in, you enter the platform. This is my library. My library consists of all the modules. This is hamburger where you can see profile. You can fill in your details. Now you can come back to my library, and if you want to search any topic or any module, you can search from here. Or if you want to search a module through category wise, you can search through here. On the left hand side, this is the main menu. When you click on my learners, you will get the list of all the students which are assigned to you. If you want to assign some particular modules to the student, what you can do is you just check this box and click on assign. And once you click on this, there are number of modules. You can just select one, two or multiple modules and you can click assign. Once you click that, the module is assigned to the student. If you want to see the details of the student, you have to check this box and again you need to click here on view details. When you come here, you can see the entire detail of the student. You can see the modules which the student has seen. If there are any reflection questions which the student has answered, you can see this also. So for example, the student has answered the reflection question of Veblen goods. So if you click here, you can view the reflection question which the student has answered, and according to this you can give the marks to the assigned marks to the students. Second thing, if you want to view projects, the projects can be viewed here, and you will see if the student has created this project, this would be the project, the files which the student has submitted, and you can give comments here itself so that the student can make changes if needed. When you go back, what you can see another things in the details of the student is that once you go to view details, if you go down, you will see that there's a interest cloud. This helps you to suggest the subjects which the student take, or helps you to understand what the student interest lies in, or what are the jobs suited for this particular student. So this particularly helps students, helps teachers to suggest subjects in grade 11 to the students. Once you go back into the main library, again this is the main library. This is all about the teacher dashboard. Here is the my list. Again, these are the modules which the teacher has seen. And this is the trending modules. These are the popular modules, and the recent additions are the additions of new modules which are added every week. And collection is the group of modules which are particularly aligned with a theme. This is all about teacher dashboard, and when you want to log out, you can log out from here. Thank you.